Our fifth subtraction strategy is called tens, then ones. We also use this strategy in addition. And like in addition, you'll need to know what place value means in order to use this strategy. So what I mean by that is, if you see the number 19, you'll need to know that the 9 is in the ones place or represents 9 ones, and the 1 is in the tens place or represents 10 ones or 1 10. So in order to do the tens then ones strategy, you have to split the numbers into their tens and ones. So that's why you needed to know that 9 represents 9 ones, because you have to split it into its ones, and 1 represents 1 10. So you can split 19 into 10 and 9. And the same goes for 11. In 11, there is 1 1 and 1 10. So to use this strategy, the first thing we need to do is subtract the tens. So our first step would be subtract 10 and 10. And we know that 10 minus 10 is 0. Then we have to subtract our remaining ones. So we have 9 minus 1. 9 minus 1, well, we know using any of our other strategies, like say our fingers, 9 minus 1 is 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. So since we had nothing here, but 8 here, our answer is 8, because what you're really doing is then adding or combining these numbers back together. 0 plus 8 is 8. We'll do a few more together so you see what I mean. So in your subtraction strategies packet, the first problem is 17 minus 13. 17 splits into, you guessed it, 1 10 and 7 ones. 13 splits into 1 10 and 3 ones. So first again, we have to subtract our tens. 10 minus 10 equals 0. Now we still have our ones to subtract, so now we have 7 minus 3 equals, and 7 minus 3 equals 7, 6, 5, 4. 4. So our answer is 4, because 0 and 4 are 4. Now let's look at one where the tens don't cancel out. So we're going to go ahead and jump over to number 5, directly across from number 1. So 38 splits into 3 tens and 1 8. 3 tens, as I'm sure you know, is written as 30. And 8 ones. 27 is 2 tens, or 20, and 7 ones. So what we have now is our tens, 30, minus 20, and that equals, if you can count by tens, 20 to 30 is 110. Now we still have to subtract our ones, so we still have 8 minus 7. And we know that since 7 is the number before 8, 8 minus 7 must be 1. Now all that's left to do is to put these numbers back together. So 1 10 and 1 1, or 10 plus 1, equals 11. So 38 minus 27 equals 11. Try the rest of this page using this strategy. Happy subtracting!